Hi there, I'm here to teach you how to earn interest on your crypto with Edge. First, open the Edge app and click the button that says Earn Interest. The sign-up process is easy and only takes a few minutes. If you have already registered and your account has been verified, you will land right on the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see any crypto you have that is pledged, the interest earned to date, and where you can manage your assets. To get started, click Manage Assets. Then choose the currency you would like to earn on, like Bitcoin. Enter the amount of BTC from your Edge wallet. Review these details, then slide to confirm. You should note that it can take up to an hour for the transaction to process, and we will send you a notification when you are ready to earn. Now that the Bitcoin is in your account, let's pledge your assets. Head to the Potential Cred Earn section of the dashboard and click the Start Earning button. Type in how much BTC you would like to earn interest on. You can use the entire amount available or just some if you'd like to earn on more in the future. Then select an interest payout wallet. You can earn in kind with Bitcoin, choose a different crypto, or earn in stablecoin. Let's stick with Bitcoin. Read through your information to make sure it is correct. Check the box that you understand the pledge agreement and click Confirm. To earn the premium rate, you need to hold 10,000 LBA tokens, about $100 worth. LBA allows you to benefit from the highest rates on all your assets while earning. Edge does not currently support LBA, but visit popular exchanges like Uphold and Hobby to purchase LBA and move it into your credit-earn wallet. Now, if you'd like to see your pending programs, scroll down to the credit-earn portfolio section. You have up until the 1st or 15th of every month when the earning starts to modify a pending program. Interest is paid monthly to your Cred wallet, and you can send it at any time to your Edge wallet. And that's it. You are now ready to earn on your digital assets. Head to mycred.io/edge now to get started.